I'm Nick Goldner, and this is Making Chips. So today we were at the LA NTMA with Katie Van Amersfoort. She was a great host. They got me thinking, what's the future of manufacturing associations? Are they going to be the same way they were 20, 30 years ago? Or are they going to be different? And so we asked her that question, and she said, well, you have to have an accreditation, you have to be able to get some sort of certification, and you got to do more to build communities than just have events where you send out like an email blast or a flyer. You got to build communities in the channels where the next generation of leaders are going to be. So social media channels, digital marketing channels, the places where my generation hangs out. So I actually just joined an association. I joined the Industrial Supply Association, and there was a reason why I did it. I personally want to build relationships with tooling suppliers, distributors, do the things that I need to do to understand how those people operate. What are they looking for in a manufacturer? And I didn't know if it was going to be a good thing or a bad thing. What's more valuable than your time? You know, so am I going to get a return on my investment in time if I show up to one of these events? And ironically, I met with one of my partners, another manufacturer, and he told me, he's like, I showed up at their Emerging Leaders event, and it was actually awesome. So I think I'll probably check the next one out. So I was listening to Jason and Jim talk with some of the members here of the local NTMA chapter and what they get out of their association membership. And one of the things that I took away was it's not really networking. No one really likes networking. There's nothing worse than a bad networking event. But what he talked about was strategic friendships. Those calls that you're definitely going to pick up, you're definitely going to answer because you know that that leader on the other end of the line is dealing with the same things that you're dealing with. And maybe he's got a different perspective. Maybe he's got a different area of expertise where he can help you in one of your weak areas, or you could help him in one of his or her weak areas. And I think it's more about strategic friendships than it is networking. Genuinely curious, what do you think about the future of associations and what the community events are going to look like in the future? Are these things that you want to sign up for or you don't want to sign up for? Speaking of signing up, subscribe so you can get more of this content wherever the button is. I don't know if it's up here or down here, but like it, subscribe, and you'll get more Making Chips content. Because if you're not making chips, you're not making money.